Hey guys, my latest acquisition I got is the UCO Candlelier, which I got for a car camping lantern. It uses candles, of course. It's got a glass shield, and it's got this aluminum plate up here that you can actually cook on, boil water and stuff if you needed to. They sell this lantern also as like a survival tool, but that's not why I got it. I got it because the lanterns I have are LED, and it puts out a really harsh light. It really brightens everything up, but it's really kind of harsh, and I wanted more of a mood lighting type deal. So that's actually why I got this, so it would be more ambiance when we go camping instead of the light shining in your eyes. I'm hoping it's bright enough just so you can play Scrabble or something like that. I don't see it as much as a survival tool because it takes special candles. I was thinking about making a mold, see if I could make those myself just because it would be cheaper. But basically I got it just for kind of like a mood lighting thing when we're out camping to put outside, and perhaps we can play Scrabble and things on it. It puts out I don't think you can see that, but 5,000 BTUs of heat on that top shield there, and it will burn for 9 hours with all three of those candles burning. As the box says, it puts out 60 lumens of light. To compare that, my LED lantern that I have that happens to be really good puts out 300 lumens of light, and it has a lifetime warranty, and it's made in the USA. So I'm going to wait until after dark, and I'm going to try it and see how it works. Sorry, there's one thing I didn't show you, and that's that each one of these candle holders here has a spring on the bottom. So these candles are spring loaded, so as they burn down, the spring pushes them up so that these candle wicks stay at the top. I've only got one hand and I'm holding the camera with one, so I couldn't show you that, but I just wanted to make sure I showed you that. And I'll get back to you after it's dark. Okay, so this is exactly 2 cups of water in a thin-walled aluminum camping pot. And let's see how long it takes this to boil. We're about 2 minutes before 8 o'clock. So we'll be back. Okay, it's been about a half an hour and it's still not boiling. There's some large bubbles in there. We'll leave it on there, see if we can get it to a boil. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes or 42 minutes. I just measured it. The water temperature is 196 degrees, so I'm going to let it go for a little while longer to see if we can actually get it to a boil. We'll see. And then I'm going to do a light test and see how bright it is. Okay, it's about 55 minutes into the experiment, and I'm seeing steam escaping from the lid. So I'm thinking it's going to start boiling any minute now. And I'll get back to you in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about an hour into the experiment. I see steam rising from the lid. Let's see if it's boiling. I'm going to measure the temperature, and then that's going to be it. And it's actually boiling. I think it's probably been boiling since the steam was coming out of the lid at about 55 minutes, but that is a boil. With the lid on, it definitely boils the water. It's not quite boiling now, but it definitely was. So there you have it. It'll boil 2 cups of water in 1 hour's time. And then this box, the UCO Candlelier box, I can see perfectly. I would say that is, let's see how long, excuse me, I've only got one hand. That box is about 21 inches away from the candlelier. So if I move it a little closer, I think you can probably make out just about everything. So I could play Scrabble or something around a picnic table with this lamp. Let me see if I can show you how well it lights everything up. It's okay. I wouldn't want to go walking around with this because a lot of the light gets in your eyes through those top vents. But if you set it somewhere, I think it'll give you really good mood lighting. Let me see if I can show you how well it lights everything up. It's okay. I wouldn't want to go walking around with this because a lot of the light gets in your eyes through those top vents. But if you set it somewhere, I think it'll give you really good mood lighting. you know, kind of light up your campground around a picnic table or something like that. They make a reflector for it that's silver that you can put back here, and I understand that gives it some pretty good, reflects some pretty good light.